Hey friends, I'm going to make a shake with cashew nuts and chocolate. Let's start making. Use any kind of chocolate you want. I'm using a dark chocolate. I'm adding little honey and 1 drop of pure vanilla extract and 1 glass of water. Let's keep blending. Wow. Our cashew chocolate shake is ready. This is very amazing, very delicious, my friends. Try it and use any kind of chocolate you like or want. I use dark. It's very nice. Hey friends, I'm going to make chocolate coconut cream dessert. For this I need 400 gram of condensed milk, 200 ml milk, 1 spoon of butter, 1 yolk. Mix everything very good on a medium heat. Keep mixing, my friends, until it's become a cream. You can see, my friends, it's very creamy. Now let's add 50 gram of coconut flakes. So the coconut flakes are in. Wow, cream is ready. Before we add the chocolate, let it chill this cream first. 130 gram of chocolate of your choice. $200 gram of heavy cream on a low heat. Melt the chocolate into the heavy cream. Add the chocolate on top of the cream, coconut flakes. Let it cool and let's make Oreo shake. 1 glass milk, chocolate syrup. Shake is ready. Oreo shake is ready. It's very simple, very delicious. It's a quick fix. Enjoy my. Hey friends, let's make a milkshake. So this is a mixture of banana, mango and apples. Yesterday I mixed them, mashed them and put in the freezer. Now let's start the procedure to make the shake. Let's put in a cup. I am using very little paste of the mixture I make yesterday. This is very good to have in the freezer. It's a quick fix. You can make your shake anytime you want. Put some sugar if you want. Add your milk. Our perfect quick milkshake is ready. It's very easy way to make. Mash your fruits, put in the freezer and just blend them and then enjoy your shake. Here we go.